Hi everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. So I am doing an unboxing after so many days. बहुत टाइम से मैंने कोई unboxing video नहीं किया because there was lockdown and no one was shipping before, but अब lockdown खुल गया तो shipping वगैरह start हो गई है. So I have a Lady Raga bag, but this time it's not their usual bag, it's their mini box you can say. एंड दिस वन रिटेल्स फॉर 359 इंडियन रुपीज़ और ये है मेरे पास. एंड ये काफ़ी कुछ दिन पहले मेरे पास आया था, सो मैंने इसको रख दिया था साइड पे ताकि ये सेल्फ सैनिटाइज हो जाए. सो कार्डबोर्ड पे 4 डेज़ लगते हैं वायरस को ख़त्म होने में. सो जो भी अगर आपके पास कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स है, आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू टू कीप 4 डेज़ एंड देन ओपन. अगर आपको जल्दी है देन डू सैनिटाइज़. मैंने इसको सैनिटाइज़ भी कर लिया है और मैंने कुछ देर रखा भी है इसको कुछ दिन. सो अब मैंने ये खोला है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना टेल यू, आई डोंट हैव एनी बैग, इट्स यू कैन सी प्रोडक्ट्स डायरेक्टली. अब धीरे धीरे करके हम इसमें देखते हैं कि क्या क्या है and I'll let you know what are the prices and stuff. The very first thing I can see is this is by the brand called Bionosh, and I have already done a video on this brand. NutriFit box kind of था तो इनका ही था वो. तो I had some teas and some energy balls, protein balls उसमें. but यहाँ पे है मेरे पास अमृतम एंशियंट लग्जरी बाथ पाउडर. दिस इज़ body and face polisher, basically Upton है ये. And this one retails for 160 rupees and it is 50 grams of product, so you can just use that as a Upton, as a face pack or as a body scrub or a body pack. Next I see this thing, and this is rose gel and it has rose water, rose oil and rose powder. It says apply on face, body and always do a patch. It is by the brand called Plush, and I really can't tell you the price because I think it's not written here. And let me just smell it. Oh my god, it smells delicious. It smells like gulkand. Oh wow, so good, so good. Definitely I'm gonna use it. And rose is like good for your skin as well, so I think मैं बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म कर दूँगी ये. Smells really good and I really want to try this out. And I think most of the brands are homegrown. They're Indian brands, so most of I guess all of the brands are homegrown and Indian grown. So if you're supporting Atmanirbhar India, then you can just go for this bag and you enjoy some homegrown Indian brands. Okay, next I have a pair of earrings. These are the earrings. It's been I think it's been almost an year कि मैंने कोई earring purchase नहीं किया ना subscription box में या फिर ऐसे. So these are the pair of earrings with some gold, blue and red details. I'm not gonna wear it and show you, or should I? Okay, let me wear and show you how it looks on me. So on the packaging no prices mentioned right now, but I think I do have some info card or something, so मैं उसमें से देखकर आपको बताती हूँ. Here are how the earrings are looking. Alright, so these are the earrings, and I have one more thing which is really nicely bubble wrapped. Oh, these are lipsticks. Oh my god, so many of them. Oh my god, I love these kind of lipsticks and my family loves it so much. They're so good to gift and you get lots of shades and they're good quality as well. So I have a pack of these Ebony London lipstick. Likha to London hai, but I'm sure this is Indian. These are 10 lipsticks and look at the colors. Mainly the colors are red family se hain, pink, maroon and reds. Yeah, so let me just check out. My family really loves these small little lipsticks, so I'm just gonna go so whenever I'm meeting them I'm just gonna give it to them. They can just choose a color for themselves. This color looks really nice. This is like a pink color and तो आप देख सकते हैं bullet की shape भी बहुत different है. It's not usual. It is actually like a bullet. Alright, so I'm just not gonna swatch and I'm just not gonna ruin it because I really want to gift it to my family. My family loves these small little lipsticks because these are easier to carry. And जितनी भी मेरे पास पहले इस तरह की सब्सक्रिप्शन बॉक्सेस में इस तरह की लिपस्टिक्स आई हैं, they were good quality as well. So yeah, and I think I'm left with one last thing here, which is this one. See, I really don't have any info card, so I really can't tell you the prices of the product, but I'll try to get the information, and I'll try to put in the description. Okay, so this like looks like a skincare, and these days I'm crazy about skincare. I'm crazy about serums and stuff. So this is a rose oil, and it's by the brand called Khadi Natural. Again, it's an Indian brand, and it's like 12 ml of product, and the price is, okay, let me check the price. Okay, so it's all, you know, likha hua tha, but is pe mit chuka hai because of the oil. I'm just gonna open it because I'm gonna use it. So मैं खोल ही रही हूँ इसको. It smells amazing. Really, it smells amazing. I really can't tell you the price. So no price. I'm sorry. So guys, but I am crazily indulging in Indian brands, especially in skincare. So बहुत मैं enjoy कर रही हूँ Indian brands and skincare, and definitely I'll be sharing more reviews and more thoughts about Indian brands, especially in skincare. So yeah, definitely I'm gonna try this. So this is the rose oil, and आपको एक हल्की सी टिप देती हूँ. If you really don't do any skincare and you want like a really quick glow, what you can do, you can just take rose oil and little bit of coconut oil mixed together and little bit of lemon, and you can just apply them तीनों इकट्ठे से and before sleeping. And if you do this for like 15-20 days, you can actually see the difference in your skin. So ये मैं तब करती हूँ, वैसे मैं normally नहीं करती, but whenever I have something special like coming, like wedding or something, this you can do and you can have that really nice glow. So I'm gonna try because मेरे पास अभी rose oil नहीं था, so I'm gonna try now for like couple of nights, and I will be having a good glowing skin. So yeah, so that was it for the Lady Raga box. I would not say bag because there's no bag this time. And in total I got 5 things: earrings, lipsticks, which lipstick set, and there are 10 of the lipstick, and this Upton rose oil, which I'm very excited about, and also this rose gel, again I'm very excited about, and lipsticks, and my family will be excited about. Earrings are fine, so this is how they look like. So yeah, I am very happy with this time's Lady Raga box, and this is like their mini box. This retails for 359 Indian rupees, and if you want to subscribe, then you can just go to the link I am providing in the description box, and you can just subscribe it for yourself. And that's it for the video. I hope ये आपके लिए helpful रही होगी, and please do subscribe, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.